Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're gonna see how even you can unlock any disabled iPhone easily and quickly. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Just like me, even if you are locked out of your iPhone and you want to fix it without spending much of your time, then you should make use of MacPhone iPhone Unlocker software by MacPhone, who are known for making award-winning softwares that provide solutions to the problems related to iPhones, iPods, and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the MacPhone iPhone Unlocker software is a professional tool that has been built to fix various software-related issues easily and quickly. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once I've installed the software, that's how the homepage will look like, where you get to see our 4 tabs that basically are the solution providing tabs which are being provided to you, and you can use any one of them according to your system problem. In this video, we'll try to fix the issue using the second tab. To begin fixing the concerned problem, you need to tap on Start to get started. Next up, go ahead by connecting your iPhone to the PC so that the software recognizes your device, and also make sure that the device is in DFU mode. Once the device is in DFU mode, the software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. And just after the firmware package is downloaded, tap on Unlock to initiate the process of repair. And during this process, the device will be factory reset. And after the unlock process is completed, you can proceed to set it up. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.